There you go,
Turn off
Serafina.
your
Woo! You were put in your place.
Action!
Hear the music.
I think cameras are allowed though.
Okay, she said go. Please come out. No. Oh,
Wait, you're in the audience. Audience is quiet.
You're going to get sap. Touch the tree and you get sap on it.
So what happens, Serafina? He touches the tree,
And then
gets sap.
turn off your phone.
It's a camera. It's not a phone.
I got sap on my finger. Uh-oh.
The penguin got sap on his finger.
Hey, cheetah.
Uh-oh, he's getting sap. Sticky. What's he gonna do? So sticky. And along came a cheetah.
I think the cheetah's doing it.
Here comes the cheetah.
Then the cheetah gets up.
The cheetah licked it all off, it was like.
The cheetah licked off the sap. I guess it must be your turn.